With this easy trick, I'm going to show you how you can add your Google Sheets files to your phone home screen in seconds. Let's say I'm working on this spreadsheet and I'm not quite done, but I don't want to forget about it. So what I want to do is to add this specific file to my phone home screen. So how do I do that? Well, first of all, this option is only available for Android users. If you want to try and do this on an iOS device, you won't be able to do so. So going back, I have this file open on my Sheets app on my Android phone. Now, what I'm going to do to add this to my phone home screen would be to go back because I have it open. Tap on the arrow pointing to the left on the top left corner. There you go. Now we're on the Sheets homepage of the Sheets app. So if you open your Sheets app, this is the first thing that you're going to see. And the file that I want to put on my phone home screen would be this one at the top. So what I'm going to do is to tap on the ellipsis on the right side. There we go. Here we have our options, and the option that we're looking for is at the bottom. So we're going to swipe up until we see it, and there you have it. So right above our remove option, we have add to home screen. So what this will do would be to add this specific file into your home screen, and when you tap on it, it will open the file directly. So tap on that option. Here we have that pop-up that will ask you to add it to your home screen, and we're just going to tap on add at the bottom right. So now the shortcut to that file has been added to your phone home screen. If I tap on back right here, there you have it. At the top left corner of my phone screen, I have that file. So if I tap on it, there you have it. It doesn't go to the Sheets homepage. It directly opens your file. So now if you want to do a quick edit on your file, you can definitely do it with just one tap. And that's your easy trick on how you can add your Google Sheets files to your phone home screen in seconds. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you might want to check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.